But you know what we say? What we always say is, why buy one when you can buy two for twice the price? It's really congested today here at the Copart lot. We got here early. We was going to look at the truck and play it real quick, and the first one that's playing, it's right up at the top. It's a 2020 Nissan Titan. It's up right now. The bid's $6,000. I'm just going to start bidding it. And I am bidding it. I'm bidding it, and it's not stopping. Caleb, what should we go to here? It is not even beginning to slow down.
The 2020 Nissan Titan, how many miles?
It's got 43,000 miles, four-wheel drive. We looked at it. It looked pretty good. I'm still bidding it, man. It is going crazy.
Go 10,000.
It's up to 8,800, and Tennessee is winning. Just Tennessee is okay. All right, I'm up 9,000 winning. Losing to Tennessee, 9,100. Slowing down a little bit. Now we're losing to Oregon. Now we're losing to Tennessee, 9,300.
What are you going to do?
I'll just bid it, 9,400. We're losing again to Tennessee. I bid it again, 9,600. 9,800 now, we're winning. We're still winning. Oh, we just got outbid by Tennessee, 9,900. It's getting close. I'm going to bid it. They just outbid us again.
It's a battle.
10-3. Tennessee, man. 10,000 was supposed to be the limit. I'm in. I'm bidding it.
All in.
Now it's 10-5. We're still not winning. Tennessee's winning at 10-5. Yeah, 10-6, whatever. Okay, 10-6, we're winning. 600 more than we were going to pay.
So it's down to you in Tennessee, right?
Us in Tennessee and Florida. Okay, bonus time, 10-6. Bonus time, 10-6. Hey,
we're winning?
We're winning. We might get it for 10-6. Oh, we just got outbid by Tennessee. Heck, 10-8. What's another one? We're 10-8. We're winning. 10-8. We're still winning. Hey, we just bought ourselves a 2020 Nissan Titan. Let's go in here and get it paid for and see if we can get it loaded today. So we made it back here to the house, all safe and sound, with this 2020 Nissan Titan 4-wheel drive SV. So this truck has 43,000 miles on it. We tried to get in and look at it, but we just couldn't make it. So we just went ahead and pulled the trigger for $10,800, which put us right at $11,958 out the door. But you know what we say? What we always say is, why buy one when you can buy two for twice the price? We've got the 2023 over there and just got through putting the front end on that. And that's why we say that, because it's fresh on our mind. We know exactly what to order, exactly what to do. So we're going to put the front end on this one too. So if we look right here on the front end, we see there's nothing wrong with the shutter. There's nothing wrong with the radar cruise control sensor. There's nothing wrong with the fender or the hood. So it's looking like we need a headlight and a grill and a bumper, the bumper pieces to get this truck going. And we just did all of that on this truck right here, except it was on the driver's side. But these are LED headlights, and this grill is for a Pro 4X, and this bumper is for a Pro 4X. In our new truck, it has a chrome bumper. And it just so happens that we found a bunch of parts in the bed of the truck, and we found the grill, which is really good, and the grill is perfect. There's nothing wrong with it. And looking down this side, truck looks good. It's got a tonneau cover. And then we've got some parts inside. They took the door panel apart. They took some things apart, and I'm not really sure why they didn't put it back together, because we found the estimate up on the dash, and the body shop was going to charge $9,700, so $9,700 to fix it. And the truck was worth about $28,000. The one thing that I wasn't counting on was the windshield, and that would be somebody's noggin that got that. But inside this truck, I mean, it's a lot like the Pro 4X. It's not as detailed as that one is, but it does have blind spot detection. It's got heated seats, dual climate control, and Caleb says it's been bedazzled, so he thinks that this was a woman's truck. I don't know. Maybe it was. But it looks really good. There's nothing wrong with the seats, nothing wrong with the console. No airbags are out. Seat belts are good. We've got all the parts to put the door back together with. I think we'll go ahead and get the pressure washer out, kind of get everything cleaned up, and let's start nice and clean on this thing like we like to do. Get everything cleaned up and shined up, and then we'll see what parts we got to order. Hopefully we can get into this and quickly fix it up and get this sucker for sale. Or do y'all want us to lift it way up and put some big tires and wheels on it? I don't know, you don't see many Titans done that way. Let us know what you think about it while we get the pressure washer out and start washing this truck. Man, so far, this Nissan Titan is a winner. And you know, this gap right here, you can see where it's really close, right up through here, and then it gets wide as it goes back through here. So I'm gonna take the fender off, and then I'm gonna show you the parts that we found inside. This thing so far is a winner. I mean a winner. So let's adjust this fender and see if we can make that gap look just a little bit better. And then we'll show you the parts that we found on the bed on the inside. That initial gap looks a lot better. I think it looks good up and down both sides. Let me show you the parts that was inside this thing. This little bumper cover up here is $400 from Nissan. So I had a few little scuffs and nicks on it, and I was able to just fix that and prime it up. And we're gonna save this thing and save $400. And we had the grill in the back, and it is perfect. There's nothing wrong with the grill, so that saves us like $800. And then probably about $50 or $75 for that little emblem. We've got our fender liner in here, and the bumper, that's the big thing. Those bumpers are $1,000. And then the little cover on the end is $300, and there's no way that we're gonna be able to save that. And it had the side steps, Nerf bars, whatever you wanna call them. They were in the bed too, and there was nothing wrong with those. I just bolted them back on just to kind of keep them out of the way. And inside here, we got our door panel and the headlight, but the headlight is bad. And these headlights are just expensive. So probably go with just like an aftermarket one, or just get a pair of headlights. The floor mats and the little mud flaps are all in here. So I think what I want to do right now is just kind of test fit everything on the front. You know, just kind of see how everything looks. We'll mock up that headlight, put the grill in, put a little bumper piece in, and see how it all looks. And then we'll be ready to take it to the booth and get some stuff painted. And these are our bumper pieces. That's our new bumper cover. And then this is the bumper cover that we fixed. So we're going to paint that. And then this is our old headlight. And this is our new headlight. So we might as well take care of these few items, put the headlight in, get it in the booth, and fix this thing up right, because this is a jam up truck. It's a 2020. We're going to get it fixed. We use some of the bubble tape up on that rock guard line, and we're going to burn this in right here and fix those little black spots right there. And I wanted to show you that we took care of every single light that was on the dash, and there really wasn't much going on with this one. And it is almost 100% complete. You might not believe it, but we've came to the end of the rebuild journey on the 2020 Nissan Titan that we picked up from the Copart salvage yard just a few short days ago. And this truck was just a light hit, and we paid $10,800. That was the high bid for this truck. We're gonna go ahead and list it for sale. And if you'd like to know the total price that we've got invested in this truck, leave a comment down below and we'll do it in the next episode. Don't forget to turn those post notifications on so you don't miss out on anything. And be sure to follow us on Instagram at Orange Wires Garage. We always post there before YouTube. We'll catch you guys next time. Who knows what we'll find? We're out.